Digital Vidya provided me with the proper guidance, and all the modules which are covered are great help. In particularly, I like SSM, social media marketing, social engine marketing. Hi, I'm Hetal. I'm from Mumbai. I've joined this digital marketing course particularly for two reasons. I was quite interested in marketing from before at the start of my career, as well as I was keen to learn what all new things are happening in marketing field. And second, the digital marketing provide you the flexibility, and there is a various chart on which you can do digital marketing. There is a scope, a huge scope for digital marketing, which we can explore. So this was the reason I choose digital marketing. And Digital Vidya, one of my friend has referred to me. Digital Vidya, he has done course, I will say around 8 years prior, and he is quite successful in his digital marketing career right now. So he has suggested me this course. Digital Vidya provided me with the proper guidance, and all the modules which are covered are great help. In particularly, I like SSM, the social media marketing, social engine marketing, SEO module. All are very different, but in a unique way, they all are connected. So I like how it is showing the journey of a consumer, and every touch point are connected to the consumer. I liked how digital marketing is helping a consumer to reach his journey, and it is a great experience with Digital Vidya. All the mentors are very good, to be very honest. They have helped us in various case studies as well as practical examples also they have shown to us. So I'm very happy to be a part of Digital Vidya and hope that it will be a great use in my career journey.